Football is the world's most popular sport, and it's played and loved by millions of people. And when we talk about the best footballers in the world, there are some names that simply can't be ignored. Here are the top 3 footballers of the world. Lionel Messi, the Argentine star, has been a living legend for more than a decade. With his unmatched skill, creativity, and precision on the field, he has won 7 Ballon d'Or awards, a record in football history, and has helped Barcelona to win numerous domestic and international titles. He's a player who can change the course of a game with a single moment of magic. Cristiano Ronaldo, the Portuguese forward, is a true force of nature, known for his incredible athleticism, technical ability, and powerful shots. He's won 5 Ballon d'Or awards, and has led his teams to win numerous domestic and international titles. He's a player who always strives for excellence, and his passion for the game is contagious. Neymar Jr., the Brazilian forward, is a master of dribbling, with lightning-fast footwork and incredible speed that can leave defenders standing. He's won numerous domestic and international titles with Barcelona and Paris Saint-Germain, and his creativity on the field is unmatched. He's a player who is always looking for ways to surprise his opponents, and his flair and style have made him a fan favorite around the world. These 3 players are the cream of the crop, the best of the best, and they inspire millions of fans around the world. They are not just footballers, they are living legends, and their impact on the sport will be felt for generations to come.